my God. Look at the weather today. Ooh. Guys, it is pouring out there like really, really bad. Yeah, like bad. Oh, look at the kitty cat. The kitty cat's asleep. Oh man, it's raining. So we are here at my wife's job waiting for her. Look at Roxanne. Look at Tristan. Tristan's passed out.
Me too.
He's, oh yeah, I was gonna say that you're asleep. Baby, is that a booger?
What?
Yeah, you ain't asleep, silly. Yeah. You see, we're wearing our new Moss Family Adventures jacket. We're wearing our jackets.
My pocket
So,
should be.
look how it looks outside, guys. Look how it
my
looks.
pocket.
Oh my God, look, it's rainy out there.
I know it
Looks horrible.
I know it's horrible.
McDonald's.
I know it McDonald's.
Yeah, so we're bored. So guys, if y'all loving our vlogs, you know, make sure y'all hit them thumbs up.
If you're not, I'll win.
We're gonna probably be doing it forever now, I don't know.
If you're not, I'll win.
It depends.
It depends.
Look guys, here comes mommy. Here comes mommy. Mommy. Oh my God, here she comes.
Where? Oh.
Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes.
You're stupid, you know that?
What? Whoa.
That was awesome.
That was awesome, right? Put that in slow motion.
What'd you say, kids?
Just wait until we make it to the next bridge.
They released the dam this morning
Yeah.
and the siren went off and it was like,
Whoa.
whoa. It was like, wee, wee, wee. And of course it didn't sound like that. Yeah, more like that.
We didn't realize that after we stopped arguing.
Y'all are arguing today.
Yeah.
About what now?
Tater tots.
Food.
Tristan didn't want to eat chicken.
We ate chicken.
He wants
Oh, who
pizza.
wants to eat chicken for breakfast,
He wants
guys?
pizza.
We ate
Me?
chicken for breakfast.
See,
We
I
ate
work
like
mornings
5
and
of
eat.
them.
I love
kids'
chicken for breakfast.
Yeah, I ate like 5.
I really started eating it when,
Look at that idiot pulls right out in front of us.
yeah, you see that guys? Hashtag idiot red car.
Hashtag idiot.
Hashtag idiot red car. He pulled right out in front of us and I could have hit him.
Especially in this rain and there was a curb coming. What?
I better see some hashtags like that.
Your head hurts.
Mine are headed. That's why I have
Whoa,
to
Gregory,
slow.
look.
I'm going slow.
You're scaring me.
I'm going 40 miles an hour. It's because it's raining and my car is like spazzing out.
Okay.
There's no reason your head hurts. Mom, get the recording over here at this bridge.
I have to say, Bronco, I really like that camera.
But what is it called? The
Why?
reason your head hurts is because
We should do like give one.
your mine are headed. Last time you should... Mom, the bridge.
Okay, good. The kids want to be here.
The bridge, guys. The bridge. I'll go slow. You didn't stick your arm out the window?
No, and get the
I'm
camera
playing.
wet.
I'm just playing. Woo, baby.
Well, that's a playground.
Yeah, that's the playground.
We
It's
used to-
kind-
that-
it
that
gets
is a-
flooded easy.
It gets real flooded. Real flooded.
There's the baseball
That's
park.
the baseball park right there, guys.
Over there is where you can practice for like,
Yep.
football.
And for those of you that don't know, that is
That's the skiing wave pool.
skiing wave pool down there.
You go over there,
The bus is
all
at.
the air out
I heard the best time to go swimming is when it rains and thunders.
Really?
Yeah. And I heard when you get hit by thunder, it makes you feel like a fish
You
because
want to check the P.O. box?
you want to flop everywhere. I guess.
Just wait.
I know.
You think anything came in?
I don't know.
We'll go check.
Something at the end of the video. Not responsible for any injuries.
Really, Tristan.
I'm responsible. responsible
Well,
for
that's like go
any
swimming when it's
injury.
raining and thundering.
I was just playing. People ain't gonna go swimming when it's raining and thundering.
You never know.
Yeah.
Guys, don't go swimming when it's raining and thundering.
Oh, I saw Judy and your dad in drive-thru.
What did they say? What did they say?
Oh, she said hi. I wasn't able to stop and talk to her because, you know, they're busy.
Well, guys, we're gonna go stop to the P.O. box real quick.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens.
Well, baby.
My box coming.
Your box.
Yeah. My box coming.
This rain is coming. Right, baby? Look. Your box? I don't know, baby. It comes in once a month. You already got it for this month, remember? Roxana. I'm recording you. Are you growling? Are you my little growling pink bear? Look at you. Roxana.
No, you made me angry. Now I just like you.
Really?
Yeah, now look at the camera. Now I had to there. I can see through the hood. But I see this.
I see your nose
With Dad.
poking out.
Dad. Mom.
Huh.
I did see through this into the camera. Look.
You're silly, baby. You're silly. How many fingers am I holding up?
5, 2, 1.
You looked! You looked, baby! You cheetah!
What?
Hold on. Look, Daddy's coming.
What's it? Mom, how many fingers I am wearing?
Bummer.
8.
No Mel.
You're a cheater!
Cheater.
Look
No
at
Mel.
It's okay.
it.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go home. Go home and find something to do. Probably just go home and sit on our butts because it's raining. Go sit on our booties
Let's see what come on TV.
and see what came on TV.
Drink some hot cocoa.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
But it feels like 63. No, wait, it's 63, so it feels like 56.
This crazy weather.
It really is. It's making my car go loco.
He doesn't know how to drive.
Loco, my cabeza. I know how to drive. Mommy just don't know how to drive. Mommy don't know what she's doing.
Really?
Yeah.
What they're doing, Dad.
I like how the
Baby don't know what she's doing.
I say you never know what you're doing. You get lost. After time you look at that face. Yeesh. Yeesh. You know, one day my face is gonna be like on every meme. What is that called? Meme or memes or whatever?
They know.
Memes.
Memes.
I hear my coworkers talking about it. I'm like, what does it mean?
Yeah, what is a meme?
That's what I'm wondering. Meep.
Meep. That's
Yeah.
a noise.
Like
Meep,
a
meep,
meme.
meep, meep. Okay guys, as of right now, we're gonna do the giveaway winner, right? Hopefully it should be up by, well, today, the day we post this video up.
So, by the time you see this video, it'll probably be like in the morning.
But we were gonna post it up today,
later on.
but they told us they recommend not posting 3 videos a day, so we're only gonna do,
Yeah.
we already have the daily blog we're posting up,
Yeah.
and plus we already posted up the collector's case.
So you can see we're busy, extremely mind bubbling.
So y'all were expecting the giveaway today. It's actually gonna be put off till tomorrow, but we are recording it right now.
We're doing it right now.
So,
We're working on it. And
yeah.
if you can tell that, I know a lot of y'all hit us up with challenges and stuff, and No, God, Sponge Caleb, we know we owe you.
The water bottle challenge.
The water bottle challenge. We're still doing it, bro. So we're working on it, but we're trying.
We have that chili pepper contest, right?
What chili pepper contest? For did I donate 100?
Mom.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, we got that coming up, guys. Live tonight.
thank
Can't miss
you.
out on that. Oh wait, not tonight.
Not tonight.
Tomorrow.
By the time you watch this,
Yesterday.
it's already done.
His
I'll be on the
butthole
toilet.
will probably be burning, right, Greg?
Mom.
Oh, baby.
Pigtail.
Okay,
You
so
want pigtails?
that's it, guys.
Beep, beep.
We're gonna go ahead and close this off. This has been the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed. The weather outside is crappy. We didn't do much today. So yeah, guys, hit that thumbs up for me, guys. Okay, let me get this ready.